everybody doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I'm not your financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. And what we do here is the conference room. We come here and we have business meetings. The ultimate goal for our business meeting is to get rich. We discuss stocks. We discuss long-term investments. We discuss a lot of stuff over here at the conference room. So go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification. Tell your friends and family about what we do here. And always remember to be a long-term thinker in the stock market. Most of these stocks that I've been talking about on my YouTube channel, I've been an investor for a year or 2 years. It's just depends on the stock. So today, the stock that we're talking about today, I've been a shareholder almost 2 years. February of next year will be 2 years. So we're approaching 2 years on URG. URG stock had some massive news this morning. I mean, massive. Okay. They are going to be starting production. Okay. We've been waiting for this day for a long time. This is a big day. Big news. Okay. They're starting production at Lost Creek. They had a contract. They announced a contract in August of this year, 2022. And with that contract, they just extended the contract. Okay. Their client said, you know what, URG, you guys are amazing. We want more uranium from you. Okay. So the CEO of URG said, you know what? Let's do it. Let's start production. Let's do it. All right, that's enough. And let's go ahead and read the news for today. It's big news. I'm pumped up. All right. This is big news from URG. It says URG announces additional sales commitments, success in its bid into the uranium reserve, and decision to ramp up Lost Creek production operations. URG is pleased to announce that it has expanded the quantity to be delivered into the sales agreement announced by the company on August 8th, 2022. The agreement, which called for the annual delivery of 200,000 pounds of uranium over a 6-year period, has amended to increase the annual delivery by 100,000 pounds of uranium beginning in 2024 at the same pricing levels. The company's total sales quantity now under contract will be 600,000 pounds of uranium per year beginning in 2024, plus or minus a small optional flex. Having secured these sales commitments, URG has made the decision to immediately ramp up production at its operating Lost Creek uranium mine to levels sufficient to deliver into these current contracts. The company, which will target an initial annual production rate of 600,000 pounds, which represents 50% of Lost Creek's licensed well field production capacity of 1.2 million pounds. This production level will provide an economy of scale and a stable long-term revenue stream to the company while leaving ample room for growth and additional sales into new contracts or the spot market. Because of the advanced construction and drilling efforts the company has already made in preparation for ramp up, we expect to commence production in Q1 of 2023 and reach the initial annual production rate in Q4 of 2023. John Cash, the company's CEO, stated, Western nuclear companies continue to support production from Lost Creek by signing new and expanded contracts. We will continue our efforts to layer in additional contracts with strong profit margins with the goal of maximizing production at Lost Creek and further reducing our proven Lost Creek production. The growth in our contract book gives us the confidence to ramp up production at Lost Creek to 600,000 pounds per year. Our entire team has been working towards this goal for several years, and we are excited to bring low-cost flagship property back into meaningful production. In addition to our Lost Creek mine, our Shirley Basin projects has all major permits and licensings required to construct and operate a 1 million pound per year production facility. To further prepare for construction operations at Shirley Basin, we plan to install the monitor wells for the first Shirley Basin mine in the spring of 2023. Our current contract book fills just over 25% of our annual licensed well field capacity of 2.2 million pounds and only 14% of our annual licensed processing capacity of 4.2 million pounds. This leaves us considerable room to increase production, open satellite operations, toll process material for other companies, and sell into a rising market. URG is also pleased to announce that the National Nuclear Security Administration has awarded the company a contract to sell 100,000 pounds of domestically produced uranium to the National Reserve Program at a sales price of $64.47 per pound. The total revenue of this purchase will be $6,447,000, and it will be realized in March of 2023. The strong price of the sale is an indication of the value of domestically produced uranium compared to published global prices, and is likely an indication that domestic inventories are in short supply. The company intends to retain its remaining inventory of 224,000 pounds of uranium, which was intentionally not bid into the uranium reserve. They're going to be using the 224,000 pounds to sell into long-term contracts with commercial leaders in the nuclear industry. Okay, so just to summarize, they're going to be selling 100,000 pounds of uranium to the National Nuclear Security Administration into the uranium reserve for a total price of $6,447,000. And that is going to be realized in March of 2023. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look over at the stock. I'm filming this during market hours around 10:30. There's like no reaction on the stock, but look, the stock market has been going down. All of my stocks, even with this amazing news, URG. I covered the news from last week. That was big news as well. There's no reaction in the stock from that too. It's just from I just think it's from the general market. But read this contract for yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about this company, URG. You know I've been here for a long time. If you've been a loyal subscriber to my YouTube channel, you know that I've been here for a long time. So this stock, URG, I think they're going to be one of the big players in the uranium industry, in the nuclear power industry. They're already getting contracts. They got 2 long-term contracts signed. This is big news from today. They're ramping up production at Lost Creek. They're selling 100,000 pounds into the uranium reserve. Big news from today. So, like I said, let me know what you think about this. Read the news for yourself. Put it in the comments down below, and just let me know what you think. And always remember that the ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich.